Now, it is easier to complete an application of rectification of registers through court order in MBRS 2.0. With 4 easy steps, you are good to go. Lodger will need to submit the court order at SSM counter. After verification, SSM officer will email the lodgement reference number to the lodger. This number must then be entered into mTool and mPortal. Next, you should prepare the XBRL Zip File with the lodgement reference number provided by the officer. Then, maker can proceed to upload the rectification application and filing submission in mPortal. Complete all the mandatory fields and upload the rectified documents. Once done, proceed to submit the application in mPortal. Make sure to check nil filing only in scenarios involving a court order without an amended filing. Lastly, the lodger will need to review, approve, digitally sign the filing and make payment to SSM. Make sure that the filing status in the filing history shows pending for SSM approval. For more information, you can visit the SSM official portal at www.ssm.com.my. You will also find SSM XBRL reference materials under the MBRS Resource Center tab.